Welcome back to our ROVER P2 Retromod series. Rear end is now complete. It's actually all complete up to this section here. Yesterday we finished all the metalwork on the front wings. They're both identical. We also managed to do the light brackets, so lights have been fitted and tested and they're all perfect. The only thing I've got left to do today is the grille frame. The old grille frame was slightly different to the new one. Everything, you know, you change one thing and it's just a snowball effect. It will change. You have to change everything else. So that's the last piece of metal work we got to do. So we're going to go and complete this, and then it's just filler work today on the front wings. We'll do the inside so we can get them raptored, and then we'll do the outside. And once that's done, we'll be able to epoxy primer all the repairs that we've done up to now, and then primer it again, and hopefully it'll all be ready for paint. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Hey, as you can see, all the underneath is done now. We had to clean up all the wells. We had to sand all the underneath. We shot 2 coats of black epoxy to seal all the metal and all the welds. And then once that was dried, we seam sealed all the joints so we don't get any water penetration, which will cause rust in the future. So that's all been done. And then once the sealer was dry, and then we shot it with 2 coats of RAPTOR. I really like the RAPTOR. I like the way it looks. It's durable, it's hard wearing. Yeah, so it's just a really amazing product. I recommend it. We do all our cars, all the underside of the cars, we finish off in the RAPTOR, and you can get, you can tint it as well. You can, not only black, you can actually tint it the same colour as the car, so I love that. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is going to get it off the ramp onto its trolley, unmask it, take it outside, give it a good old clean, put it back in the spray booth, and then we're going to seal the whole thing again with epoxy primer. Once that's done, we'll bring it back into the prep booth, sand it all down, primer it one last time before we paint it. Yeah, so this is a master on the underneath's done, and yeah, we're getting close to painting it, so yeah, keep tuned.